So today we are trying to focus on our next VPN implementation. It's called Flex VPN, okay? And next weekend we can finish our site-to-site VPN with CS server.
Okay, sir.
Let's talk about what is the requirement and why we need a Flex VPN implementation. So if you remember our site-to-site VPN lab with CryptoMap,
Yes,
CryptoMap. So this concept we are using for branch to branch connectivity, right?
yes,
And in crypto map, we can define our interesting traffic. Now, in
yes,
case if I don't want to define my interesting traffic because I have multiple subnets, multiple network in my branch offices, and I don't want to define these interesting traffic in ACL in VPN configuration. That's why we can go with tunnel configuration like GRE, right? We can
yes,
create tunnel interfaces. So if you remember, the configuration step is totally different if you compare with crypto map, site-to-site VPN, and site-to-site VPN with tunnel interface configuration. Configuration step is very totally different, right?
yes,
If I have a branch office A, branch office B, branch office C, branch office D, this portion is what your ISP portion. So now if you have branch offices and and if you remember this crypto map configuration, for example, I'm trying to establish my tunnel in between site A to site B. So we have a command crypto ISA KMP key, and then we can define session key. Then we can define our remote branch office public facing interface IP address. Can you let me show you. Remember our basic VPN configuration? You need to define your uh,
yes. Pre-shared
crypto
key.
ISA key. Yes, you pre-shared key, and you can also define your remote branch office public facing interface IP. So now in our implementation, we have a IP on each branch office public facing interface, and that was the fixed IP. That was the
Yes,
fixed IP. In case, on some branch office, yes, you have a static IP, okay. But on, for example, on branch office C, you have a dynamic IP. You have a dynamic IP.
dynamic.
This branch office is getting IP address from ISP DSCP server. This side is dynamic IP, this side is dynamic IP, and this side is what? Static IP. In that case, if I'm trying to configure IPsec VPN, I need a remote branch office IP address. And in case of these two branch offices, they are getting IP address through DSCP server. So I'm not sure about the remote branch office public facing interface IP because they are getting from DSCP server. It may be changed,
Yes,
right?
yes,
This is the first scenario, first requirement. Next, in case into this design, I want to implement I want to implement site-to-site VPN in site A and site B. Site-to-site VPN. Only site-to-site. I'm not looking for site to multi-site. And in between site A and site C, in between site A to site D, okay, site D, and in between site A to site E, I'm looking for site to multi-site configuration. What is the requirement? In between site A and site B, I'm looking for site to site VPN implementation only. Only. Okay, this is my a branch office, and I want to establish only site to site VPN connectivity. But in between these three branch offices, I'm looking for site to multi-site. So site to multi-site configuration and only site to site configuration is totally different, Akbar. Remember?
yes, yes,
Crypto map we are using only for site to site VPN. Only
yes,
for site to multi-site. Yes, we can go with, remember MGRE,
GR,
DMVPN,
DMVP, yes.
MGR, not GRE, MGRE, right?
MGR, yes.
MGRE and multi-point GRE and DMVPN for site to multi-site.
Yes.
So configuration step is totally different. Into this design, I'm trying to implement site to multi-site. This is my requirement. Site to site with in between site A and site B, and site to multi-site. Multi-site. So we can do this, no problem, but the configuration step is we need to do the different configuration step for in between site A and site B, and different configuration step for site B, site C, site D, and site E. But I don't want to do this. I can do this. I can go with a separate configuration for site A and site B. And for these three branch offices, I'm looking for site to multi-site. So I can do configuration, no problem. But I don't want to do this. I don't want to do the separate configuration. In that case, you can go with flex. Clear my point?
Okay, sir. Got it.
In a scenario, you want to implement site to site, okay, with one branch office and site to multi-site also. In that case, you can go with flex VPN. That this is the name, okay? Flex VPN, flexible, okay? Flex VPN.
Okay.
And there's no any flex command. No, there's no any flex.
Sir, this is Cisco proprietary or?
No, 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 no. See, it's a these are what router-based VPN. And
So in a
yes,
carrier,
you can implement. Yes, you can implement on Cisco device. Yes, yes.
only Cisco
But
device
it's
we can
not that's
implement.
but this is not a Cisco standard concept. Okay.
Ah,
Yes, this is not a Cisco standard concept. But yes, these are Cisco router-based VPN.
okay. We cannot implement on
I'm not
firewall,
sure
right?
about Akbar. I'm not sure about you can implement this concept in other vendor. I'm not sure about it.
Okay, this
Because
support only in routers.
every vendor has its own feature, own set of configuration. So I'm not
Okay.
sure about it.
This support only in routers, not in the firewalls, right?
No, no, yes, yes, these are router-based VPN. No, you cannot
No,
configure
no.
in firewall device. Yes. In
Okay.
firewall, you can only configure two type of VPN implementation,
Point to
site to
point.
site and remote access VPN. That's
Sorry,
it.
sir. Site to
Site to
site.
site IPsec and remote
Ah,
access VPN. Only two type of VPN you can implement in any firewall device.
site to site means point to point.
Yes, site to site. Yes. No, site to multi-site you can also do. My point is IPsec you can implement. IPsec
Ah,
site to multi-site, or you can
ah.
go with remote access. But in
Okay.
case if you are looking for get VPN, VRF aware VPN, okay, these kind
Hmm.
of VPN, these are related with router-based VPN. Clear my
Okay.
point? Yes. Now, so here we have what Flex VPN. In this case, Flex VPN can help you, and there's no any flex command. No, there's no any flex command. Let me create a topology, then you can get a clear picture for Flex VPN configuration. But I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir.
I
Clear,
hope it's
clear.
clear on other branch office. Let me revise again. On other branch office, what you have dynamic IP. Let me revise again, summarize again in a 5 minute. So my point is inside B and inside C, you have a dynamic IP, and on side D, you have a static IP. Here you have a static IP, so no problem. You can establish your tunnel because you know the other branch office public facing interface IP. But on side B and side C, okay, they are getting IP address through DSCP server. So IP address is not fixed. In that case, Flex can help you. Okay, this is the first scenario. Second one, if you are looking for site to site and site to multi-site into this design, then yes, you can implement site to site and site to multi-site. Clear my point, Akbar?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes.
Let's create a design now. And for this, IKE V2 can help you. Into this design, R1 we are using as a head office, and R3 and R4 we are using as a branch office.
Yes.
Let's do the basic configuration first. IP address configuration and default route towards this ISP router. This R2 is acting as a ISP router. This is R1 router, so host name is head office. Interface fast Ethernet. We are using 10.1.12.1. No shut down. Loopback interface. We can create 1.1.1. Mask show IP interface brief. Let's configure default route towards R2. So for any destination, 12.2 is the next hop IP. R2 is ISP. So we can configure IP address on interfaces 10.1.12.2. Mask, no shutdown, 1/0. Wait, interface fast Ethernet 1/0 10.1.23.1. Mask, no shutdown, fast Ethernet 2/0 10.1.24.1. No shutdown. Okay, let's go to R3 router. This is my branch office one. Host name is BR1. Fast Ethernet 0/0 23.2. We can create one loopback interface. So interface loopback 0, 3.3.3. Now interface loopback 1, 4.4.4.4. Mask show IP interface. Wait, this is our BR1. Okay, wait, no. Need loopback only 3.3.3. Now show IP interface brief. IP route for any destination. 23.1 is the next hop IP. Let's go for R4. 0/0 10.1.24.2. No shut down. We can create loopback interface 4.4.4.4. Mask show IP interface brief. Let's configure default route. So for any unknown destination, 24.1 is the next hop IP. Let's go to R1, 10.1.23.2, 24.2. It's okay. Akbar, can you hear me? We have basic reachability from R1 to R3 and R4. You can verify now. We can ping to other branch office public facing interface IP 24.2. We are getting reply. Clear now?
Yes, yes, so
Let's
far
go
clear.
for the configuration part. Let's go for the configuration part for Flex VPN. Wait. Okay, so I'm trying to configure branch office first. Akbar, I'm
Yes,
trying
sir.
to configure branch office first. So this is branch office configuration. Let me show you. This is branch office. How to configure IK V2? Remember, in IK V2, we can create proposal first. Proposal first. In proposal, we can define what? Parameters, integrity, encryption, and group. Remember our IK V2 configuration, Akbar?
I don't remember, sir. Please go
Okay,
ahead.
no problem. If you remember IK previous session video, in IK V2 implementation, we can create proposal bundle, right?
Proposal bundle.
Proposal bundle, right? So this is the command for IK V2. If you check our previous session video,
Okay, sir.
this topic is
Okay.
called this topic is called what? IK V2 implementation.
Okay.
So I'm telling you the command syntax. Okay, you are familiar with this command syntax. This is what IKV2 proposal. We can first create proposal
Ah, yes,
IKV2.
yes, I remember. I remember. I remember.
Yes, and this proposal we can attach with our policy.
Yes,
We
yes,
can attach with our policy because if you compare IKV2 with Isaac EMP configuration, you can directly create your crypto Isaac EMP policy. You can define policy number. But in IKV2, we can create proposal. In proposal, we can define all the parameters, and this proposal we can add in policy. So crypto IKV2 policy. This is policy name, and proposal name is what? Prop one. So this is proposal name. Now you can define key. You are familiar with this command syntax. Crypto IKV2 keying command we have. Keyring name can give anything. So I'm creating this keyring. This is for session key. I'm creating this keyring for hub device. Okay, this configuration I will paste on branch office on R3 Akbar. So my peer device is what? My peer device is hub. My peer device is hub. This is just a name. Okay, you can type any name here, no problem.
okay.
Now address. So as per our design, our peer is what? Our peer is 10.1.will.1. And
Yes,
pre-shared key, I'm using pre-share key. I'm using what? Cisco 123. Now we can create profile. In profile, we can define our head office IP address 12.1. Authentication, local pre-share. Authentication, remote pre-share. And yes, you can call this keyring into this IKV2 profile. This is your phase one. Now phase two. So remember transform set configuration. It's a part of phase
yes,
two implementation, right?
yes, yes,
Now you can help me for this. I'm creating profile. I'm not creating a crypto map. I'm creating profile, IPsec profile. It means what? It means I'm looking for tunnel configuration, right?
yes,
If you remember GRE, MGRE, and DM VPN configuration step. So once you create your tunnel, then if you are configuring your IPsec, in IPsec, you can create your profile, IPsec profile. In profile, you can call your transform set. And this profile you can apply on tunnel interface. Remember tunnel protection IPsec profile command.
yes.
But
Uh,
right now we are not working with Isaac MB protocol. We are working with IKV2. We are working with IKV2. So you can create your profile. You can create your profile. In profile, you can call your transform set and you can attach this
okay.
IKV2 profile into this IPsec profile. And this IPsec profile, yes, we can apply on tunnel interface. Try to revise your VPN videos, Akbar, okay?
Okay, sir.
Then
Okay.
you can get a clear picture. So now once you create your profile, yes, we can create tunnel. Remember tunnel configuration, GRE, tunnel configuration,
Yes. Yes.
interface tunnel number, we can give tunnel IP, then tunnel source. So you can see now this is GRE tunnel configuration. You can see now.
Yes.
I don't see, I told you, I don't have a fixed IP here. I told you.
Okay.
What I have dynamic IP, right? This is the scenario. I have a dynamic IP. So tunnel source, I cannot define exactly the IP address. That's why I'm using what? Exit interface number. Tunnel source is what?
Our interface.
Yes, interface, exit interface. Exit interface is what? Fast Ethernet
Zero
0
slash.
slash 0. My exit interface. Because on this interface, public IP is not fixed. I'm getting IP address through DSCP.
Hmm.
I'm getting IP address through ISP DSCP server. So IP address is not fixed. That's why for tunnel source, I'm using exit interface. Now tunnel destination, yes, tunnel destination is head office public facing interface IP. Tunnel mode IPsec, yes, we are using IPsec. And now you can apply this profile with this command, tunnel protection IPsec profile. You are familiar with this command. This command. You are familiar with this command. This one. Internal configuration. So you can create IPsec profile, and profile you can attach, you can apply on tunnel interface. And yes, if I'm working with tunnel interface, then yes, I can use any routing protocol, right, Akbar?
Yes. Yes. Yes,
So
sir.
let's copy this configuration, okay? Let's copy this configuration and we can paste on R3, this branch office. Okay, wait, this notepad file can help you. So what I'm doing, I'm trying to copy this phase one proposal, paste here, wait, phase one proposal here, we can paste here. Now we can create IKv2 policy. Now keyring. So in keyring, yes, we have head office public facing interface IP. So crypto IKv2 keyring and key we are using Cisco 123. Now let's go for the profile. So you can copy this profile configuration. This is head office public facing interface IP. Exit. Now transform set. So transform set name we are using ABC. So let's copy this. Same parameter we'll use on head office transform set. Then profile. So IPsec profile transform set you can call IKv2 profile. Copy this configuration and we can paste. Let's create tunnel interface. Interface tunnel one. Tunnel IP. So tunnel IP, for example, 80.1, 80.1. This is branch office, so I'm using 80 dot mask. Now tunnel source is fast Ethernet 0 slash 0 interface. Tunnel destination, yes, we have a fixed tunnel destination 12.1. Now tunnel mode IPv4, IPsec, IPv4. Now tunnel protection IPsec profile and profile name is wait. Profile name is IPprof. Now we are getting a message either KMP is on. Now we can use any routing protocol. For example, router EIGRP 10, 10 dot. No, tunnel IP is port 192.168.80.0. And our LAN side loopback is 3.3.3. No auto summary. Clear this configuration, Akbar?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Please revise now, okay? Your VPN. Please revise your VPN, okay? Are you using any EVNG software or GNS3 something, Akbar?
Yes, I have GNS3, but this in this also. Other one, PVNG.
EVNG. Do you have EVNG full pack software?
No, no, I have the other one. not the paid one.
Please share your email ID. I'm sharing EVNG full pack software. Okay, so it's a 60 GB file, 68 GB file. Okay, with all images,
68.
routers, switches, firewall, all the images. Please share your email ID in Zoom chat window. I'm sharing right now.
Okay.
Let's continue our focus now. Let's continue our topic now. So this is what our branch office device. Okay, now let's go for hub device. So hub is what? R1 is a hub device. What is the configuration step for hub device? Let me show you. So yes, we can first create proposal, no problem. We can create policy, no problem. Okay, now, this is hub device configuration. Wait, this is hub device configuration. And for hub device, peer is what? R3, right? It's just a name I told you. And now I told you, on this branch office, we don't have fixed public
Okay.
IP, right, Akbar?
Yes, sir.
So address, I'm using what? Any. So address is what? Any.
Any address.
Then pre-shared key. Then remote address again, any. Let's copy this configuration. Copy this configuration. We can paste here. Now, IKEv2 policy. Keyring information. IKEv2 profile. IPsec profile. Now, Akbar, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So now I told you Flex VPN we are using for site-to-site VPN
Yes.
implementation and for site to multi-site VPN implementation. Now, if you check this configuration on R3 branch office, okay, this is the configuration to create our tunnel, right?
Yes.
This is the configuration to create our tunnel source, tunnel destination. But if you remember, this command is for GRE. This command is not for MGRE. This command is not for TMVPN. This is what? GRE, tunnel configuration. And if you remember, GRE we are using only for
Point to point.
point-to-point connectivity, right?
Yes.
So now, for site-to-site and for site-to multi-site, I don't want to do two different kind of configuration in head office. No, no. For I told you what is the scenario.
You have to configure in
I
one
have
step.
other branch offices, right? Other branch offices R5. I have one more branch office R6. Yes, I want to establish site-to-site VPN in between R1 and R3. No problem.
Mm.
But I want to establish site to multi-site in between R1 and R4, R1 and R5, R1 and R6. In between these three branch offices, I'm looking for site to multi-site implementation, like MGRE or DMVPN kind of implementation. Akbar.
Yes, sir. Yes.
For this, you need to configure two separate kind of configuration. This is what site to site. And these three are what? These are the part of site to what?
Multi-site.
Multi-site. I don't want to do two different kind of configuration on head office. No, no. That's why we are talking about Flex
Yes.
VPN. And I told you there's no any Flex command. No, no. Just a name, Flex VPN. For this, we can create virtual template.
Virtual.
For this, we can create virtual template. I don't want to
Yep.
do two different kind of configuration on head office. That's
Okay.
why we can go with a concept is called what? Template. Template.
Virtual template.
What is template? Copy of configuration. Template means
Yes.
what? Copy of configuration. So what we can do here, we can create a loopback interface. Any loopback interface you can create, no problem. And this loopback interface we can use in virtual template. So what is the command syntax for Flex? Interface virtual template we can create. Template number, type, tunnel. And now here you can define IP unnumbered. Command syntax is what? IP unnumbered. And you can call your loopback interface here. Loopback interface here. Now tunnel source. And yes, I don't have tunnel destination because I told you on other branch office, they have dynamic IP, right?
Yes.
So I don't have tunnel destination. You can see this configuration. I don't have tunnel destination.
Oh, okay.
So now tunnel source, tunnel mode IPsec, and I can apply this profile information. And now this virtual template, we can call in our IPsec profile. So this time in IPsec profile, after transform set, after IKv2, I need to add virtual template. Virtual template. This is the configuration for site to site and site to multi-site. Let's go, let's verify here. It is working or not. So let's go to R1. So profile is cool. Yes, let's create a loopback interface. So I'm creating any loopback interface loopback 11. IP address, for example, 11.11. Or let's create this one, no problem. IP address 192.168.1.1. Loopback interface, exit. Now interface virtual template is a command. Let me show you. See, there's a command. What? Virtual template. You can create a virtual template. So we can copy this virtual template. Our loopback interface. Let me verify. Loopback interface is 1. So let's copy this loopback interface. Loopback interface. Let me check out one more time. Show IP interface brief. Loopback 11. Yes, loopback 11. Let's copy this configuration. We can paste on head office. Oh, there's a mistake. Interface is here.
Fast.
Fast Ethernet, yes. Let's copy this and we can paste again. Now, this virtual template I can apply on crypto IKEv2 profile, and profile name is what? Prof. Profile name is what? Prof. Profile name is what? Prof1. Let's go to profile. Crypto IKEv2 profile, and profile name is
Profile 1.
profile1, prof1. And now here we can apply our virtual template. Now let's configure our protocol now. So I can advertise tunnel IP. Tunnel IP is 192.168.1.0. What is our tunnel IP? 1.0. Yes. So tunnel IP 1.0. Network 1.1.1.1. No auto summary. No auto summary. You can see now we are getting a message. Virtual access. Virtual access. And you can see you have a neighbor relationship with. You can verify now. Show crypto IKEv2 SHA. So you have a tunnel in between site A and site B. And if you remember in our VPN configuration, We are not using remote address IP address, but you can see tunnel established with 10.1.23.2. Akbar,
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
this is Flex VPN implementation. So try to revise your VPN. If you face any issue, you can discuss with me in next session.
Okay, sir.
And
Okay.
let's discuss our last topic. See, next weekend we can finish our side-to-side VPN with CA server on 18. 19, I am not available. So we can start our next book on 25 or 26. Okay, I will update you.
Sorry, sir. Next on 18 mean 12.
18 will do our session. Okay, we will finish our this last VPN
Uh,
implementation.
Saturday.
Yes, Saturday next weekend. Yes.
Only 1 hour remaining.
Yes, we can. It will take time, this side to side. Okay, 1 hour
Hmm.
or 90 minutes, you can say. But we can finish this topic. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we can finish this topic. Then 19, I'm not available.
Okay, sir.
We can continue our session on 25 or 26. I will update you on 18. Okay.
Okay, sir. Please update.
Yes, sure.
Uh, this Ahmad is in CCNB or where?
Sorry, Ahmed.
Ahmad.
Ahmed was in multi-vendor firewall.
Because he asked me, you what about the session? I said I'm in CCNB track. He said, okay, he is not in. He's in multi vendor. He
Yes,
asked me when the session started. I said that no, I am not in the CCNB.
yes, yes. He is talking with me, but he was in multi-vendor firewall and CCNP training, routing and switching. He was in
Ah,
multi-vendor firewall.
okay,
Yes, he did multi-vendor firewall with me.
okay,
Five firewall
okay,
in I think in $800 fee.
okay, okay, sir. Okay, so after next week, you will update me about the next session, right?
Let's finish our site to VPN first, okay?
Okay, okay.
On 18, I
Thank
will
you.
update you.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Thank
Bye, Akbar. Take care. I'm sharing this recording in 15 minutes,
you.
okay?
Okay.
Bye. Take care, dear. Bye.
Okay.